Once you have your forge, hammer, and anvil, you start to find need to cut things. And one of the best ways to do that is with a simple chisel. Welcome back to Black Bear Forge and the tool of the day. Let's continue our look through the tool cabinet over here with the second drawer, which contains chisels. And in here I have a variety of different sizes and styles of chisels. I have everything from your basic cold chisel to various hot chisels. And it's awfully handy to have these in various sizes. I also have some other weird shaped chisels. I've got a 90-degree corner chisel and a handful of round chisels. I've made much better round chisels since I made these, but they're still useful. I have some cape chisels, which are used for carving out grooves in material. Don't hardly ever use those. I also have some very crude engraving chisels, relatively large, and I don't use those very often either. So there's not a lot to say about chisels. This particular chisel is a very nice one. It was made by Brent Bailey. It's a nice slitting chisel. It has kind of rounded sides so you can go through the eye of an axe or something like that if you want to chisel that out. Made out of Atlantic 33 or Flutagon. It's a real good chisel. Brent makes nice tools. If you're ever in the market to support a fellow blacksmith, he's a good person to buy from. And of course, my most used chisels are the ones that I keep down here on this little rack right under the horn of the anvil. This one was made out of an old jackhammer bit some number of years ago. And this is a flat H13 chisel that I think is still available for most of the blacksmithing suppliers. Now, if you are new to blacksmithing and haven't made any of your own tools yet, a chisel is a great place to start. It is a very useful tool, very simple shape. Even if it isn't quite the same as most other chisels, it's probably still going to work. There's a lot of forgiveness in bevel angles and edge geometry and things like that for just a general hot working chisel. And they are a wonderful tool for your first explorations into tool making and hardening and tempering. And we have discussed making chisels and hardening and tempering chisels in the past, and I'll try to put a link right here, up here in the left-hand corner, to one of those videos so you can see just how to make a nice hot chisel. Something in the 3/4 inch to 1 inch width is a very useful tool. You will use it for your entire blacksmithing career, so it's worth taking the time to make some. Well, I hope that was interesting. Hope you can give it a thumbs up. Love it if you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you come back tomorrow for the tool of the day, and we'll look in drawer number 3, and we'll look at some punches and discuss what kind of punches you might need to start with. In the meantime, try and get out to your shop and make something, but do stay safe, wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.